In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Trello. By the end, you'll know how to add a priority field to a card and tailor it so your team can communicate clearly at a glance. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Trello, then click the official Trello website. Sign in if prompted, and open the board where you want to work. Once your board is open, click any card to bring up the card details. This is where you'll add and manage custom fields. Inside the card, look for the Add options and choose Custom Fields. Custom fields let you attach structured information to a card, things like drop-downs, numbers, checkboxes, or simple text, so your process is consistent and easy to filter or scan. You'll see suggested fields ready to go, or you can build one from scratch. To keep things simple, let's use a suggested field. Priority. Click Add to attach it to your card. Then click Priority to open its settings. Here you can customize the priority levels and their colors. Pick a clear, intuitive scheme that your team will instantly recognize. A common approach is red for high, yellow or orange for medium, and green for low. The specific colors are up to you. What matters is that everyone uses them the same way. When you've set the labels and colors you want, simply close the customization window. Your changes are saved automatically. Back on the card, you'll now see the priority field ready to use. Click the field and choose the appropriate level, high, medium, or low, based on your workflow. This single change helps teammates understand urgency without opening long descriptions or digging through comments. A few quick tips to make this stick. Keep field names short and unambiguous. Agree on what each priority level means before you roll it out. And use colors consistently across all boards so people don't have to relearn your system. Because custom fields live at the board level, the priority field you added will be available on other cards in the same board, helping you standardize how work is tracked. You can repeat this process to add more suggested fields or create new ones tailored to your needs, like effort estimates, client names, or links. The key is to keep fields focused on the decisions your team makes every day. That's it. You've added and customized a Trello custom field and put it to work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.